Hi, book friends. This book is called Officer Buckle and Gloria. It's a story about friendship and teamwork. Let's open the book. Are you ready? Let's begin. Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone else in Natville. Every time he thought of a new one, he thumbtacked it to his bulletin board. Safety tip number 77. Never stand on a swivel chair. Oh, so Officer Buckle is learning as he goes. And look at that bulletin board. It's just full of safety tips. Officer Buckle shared his safety tips with the students at Natville School. Nobody ever listened. Sometimes there was snoring. Oh, how rude. Afterward, it was business as usual. Mrs. Topple, the principal, took down the welcome banner. "Never stand on a swivel chair," said Officer Buckle. But Mrs. Topple didn't hear him. Oh, there goes the swivel chair. And do you see all the accidents that are happening here? Someone is tripping over their shoelace. There's another accident here with books falling on a person going up the stairs. And do you see this puddle of water that someone has slipped on? Wow. Wow. Officer Buckle has a very important job, doesn't he? Then one day, Natville's police department bought a police dog named Gloria. When it was time for Officer Buckle to give the safety speech at school, Gloria went along. "Children, this is Gloria," announced Officer Buckle. "Gloria obeys my commands. Gloria, sit!" And Gloria sat. Wow, what a gut puppy. Officer Buckle gave safety tip number 1. Keep your shoelaces tied. The children sat up and stared. Officer Buckle checked to see if Gloria was sitting at attention. She was. Safety tip number 2, said Officer Buckle. Always wipe up spills before someone slips and falls. The children's eyes popped. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria again. "Good dog," he said. Officer Buckle thought of a safety tip he had discovered that morning. Never leave a thumbtack where you might sit on it. The audience roared. Whoa, look at Gloria go! Officer Buckle grinned. He said the rest of the tips with plenty of expression. The children clapped their hands and cheered. Some of them laughed until they cried. Officer Buckle was surprised. He had never noticed how funny safety tips could be. After this safety speech, there wasn't a single accident. Wow! The children are actually listening. The next day, an enormous envelope arrived at the police station. It was stuffed with thank you letters from the students at Natville School. Oh, do you see the envelope? And look at all the letters. Every letter had a drawing of Gloria on it. Officer Buckle thought the drawing showed a lot of imagination. Oh, there goes Gloria. His favorite letter was written on a star-shaped piece of paper. It said, "You and Gloria make a good team. Your friend Claire. P.S. I always wear a crash helmet. Safety tip number 7. Wow, Claire. She's very careful. Officer Buckle was thumbtacking Claire's letter to his bulletin board when the phone started ringing. Grade schools, high schools, and daycare centers were calling about the safety speech. Officer Buckle, they said, our students want to hear your safety tips. And please bring along that police dog. Wow, he's becoming very popular. And look at Gloria. I think Gloria likes it too. Officer Buckle told his safety tips to 313 schools. Everywhere he and Gloria went, children sat up and listened. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria out for ice cream. Officer Buckle loved having a buddy. Oh, isn't that sweet? They are good friends. And there goes Gloria with all the children. There goes Gloria having ice cream. Gloria's a good girl. Then one day, a television news team videotaped Officer Buckle in the State College auditorium. So look, he's filling up auditoriums. Yes! And now he's on TV. When he finished safety tip number 99, do not go swimming during electrical storms, the students jumped to their feet and applauded. Wow, look at Gloria! Bravo, bravo, they cheered. Officer Buckle bowed again and again. Wow, what a hit. That night, Officer Buckle watched himself on the 10 o'clock news. Officer Buckle kind of looked surprised there. Gloria looks a little guilty. The next day, the principal of Natville School telephoned the police station. Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for our safety speech. Officer Buckle frowned. I'm not giving any more speeches. Nobody looks at me anyway. Oh, said Mrs. Topple. Well, how about Gloria? Could she come? Someone else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to school. Gloria sat on stage, looking lonely. Then she fell asleep. So did the audience. After Gloria left, Natville School had its biggest accident ever. Oh no, what happened? It's just not the same without Officer Buckle. It started with a puddle of banana pudding. Splat, splatter, sploosh. Everyone slid smack into Mrs. Topple, who screamed and let go of her hammer. Oh, what a mess. And there goes Mrs. Topple on the swivel chair. And there goes the hammer, flying away. Yikes. The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. Officer Buckle was shocked. At the bottom of the pile was a note written on a paper star. Officer Buckle smiled. The note said, Gloria missed you yesterday. Your friend Claire. P.S. Don't worry, I was wearing my helmet. Safety tip number 7. Oh, so the hammer didn't hurt her head. Yeah, it hit her helmet instead. Oh, good thing she was wearing her helmet. Good job, Claire. Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose. Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Then Officer Buckle thought of his best safety tip yet. Now what might that be? Safety tip 101. Always stick with your body. Yes. Oh, can you clap with me? Yay. Oh, always stick with your buddy because it's just not the same. They work as a team. Yes. Gloria makes it extra fun. But Officer Buckle knows all the safety tips. That's right. That's why they make such a good team. Oh, and that's the end of Officer Buckle and Gloria. I love this book so much. I love Gloria, and I love how passionate Officer Buckle is about safety. That's right. Well, be careful out there, book friends. Bye-bye.